Hi guys, it is day 3 and I don't know if you've realized, I have mostly worn green and brown this entire trip and I feel like those are my new colors. Yeah. The plan is to go eat some Chinese food because we are extremely hungover. But if you see the state of our room, it is... You will be like, oh my god, there was a typhoon. You can really tell the 3 girls live here. The first room guy was very scary.
Oh, yeah. What first room guy?
So you know one who was drinking on the table and
He ran.
He ran behind us. The influencer taking some photos for her page. Go follow guys. That's Duck, by the way. They're too invested in eating all this food.
No.
Upside down.
Upside down.
And then
we made fun of it and then we cut it up and ate it.
Anna, do you feel like a terrible person?
Look at them.
I always forget to show you how I look before I go to an event. But this is before.
Amaya, you've done
My
your
hair
packing?
goes crazy.
No. Should we take Amaya for doing packing? So, you've done doing packing?
Yeah, when we came to the buy. Oh,
Guys, that's where we're supposed to
like
go.
jungle mein mangal.
Yeah, it's outdoor proper. I have no idea. What? It's so pretty.
Okay.
Guys, this is how I am at a party. I love parties where you can lie down. Wow, what a sunset.
This is a reminder of that, this whole ceremony. Do we have money? Mahesh here? Can we have all the Marathis dancing as well? Come on, let's go.
With the decor. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Also, for those of you who can't tell, it is freezing here. Amira's wearing 2 jackets. I feel like my nose is becoming red.
And I wish I wore my leg.
But I don't think like my camera can actually like capture how pretty this is.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Together, Deepak and Fire. This is the Big 5-0. And here it goes. To set light, the beautiful, magical life that they've shared together. And we have come together to celebrate the most beautiful life together. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Big 50. Woo!
ونشوف بكرة مستقبل
मिले तुमसे न जाने क्यों मीलों पे ऐ फासले तुमसे न जाने क्यों अनजाने ऐ सिलसिले तुमसे न जाने क्यों अपने पलकों तले। क्यों मेहनत कर रहे हो पूरी जिंदगी इसीलिए करते हैं ना। देखो ना इतना प्यारा दीपक जी कितना एकदम मजे कर रहे हैं लौंडे की तरह। जीवन ऐसा ही होना चाहिए क्योंकि जिंदगी भर मेहनत करते रहो वरना पैसा इकट्ठा करके निकालोगे पतली गली से पता ही नहीं लगता। चल चलेगा हाँ वो तो चलेगा। मुझे तो दीपक जी मजा आ गया आपको देख के। सलाम जैसे कोई मैंने लगे खोया हूँ मैं होश में तू भी कहाँ होश में मखमली रात की होना सुबह बेइंतहा।
We're back from the party. Now it's time to go for our midnight snack run. Come on, Amira.
It's always morning. I'm so excited to eat.
This is our hall.
4 different ice creams, 4 different chocolates, 4 different ramens, and we think we're gonna eat all of that.
Yep. Best one we've ever had. I'm having a Ferrero Rocher ice cream. Yummy. Love free hotel breakfast. Hi guys. So today is day 4 and we realize we're getting scammed in Dubai. An Uber takes 40 AED to go from our hotel to Dubai, and if we take a regular one it only takes us 10 AED. Don't use Uber in Dubai guys. We're also looking for a place to eat now because we're starving. It is 2 o'clock and we just chilled the entire time. Oh, it's very expensive. So we're going and we're going to meet our parents for lunch and then we're going on a yacht. That's it. It's crazy. Imagine having a house here. Okay, Ravana. You're looking so tiny. So good, Dad coded, holding us shopping, and I'm having coffee. We're going on a cruise. Yeah, we're going on a yacht. It's very cold actually. I don't know what we're gonna do with it. On a boat. I'd love to take a nap here. Wow.
Preparation.
Oh, this is my cool chachu, by the way.
Don't put this anywhere.
Yeah. We're here for casual dinner and he's selling the entire menu because he's come twice in this trip. And so has she. To this exact restaurant. So Dana, are you ready?
And what else?
Let's try a chocolate worm by Cadbury. Whoa, I'm excited to try. Because clearly the food blogger is not doing her job.
Blogger starts eating only before blogging. Okay. That's the set.
It's quite nice, it has caramel inside.
Is it like 5-star chocolate?
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
Because it's chocolate with caramel.
Yeah.
No, check. I can't read.
I think the Burj Khalifa is like the Eiffel Tower of Dubai. You can literally see it from everywhere, no matter where you go, it's just there. It's day 5.
Day 5 of Dubai trip.
Yeah, we're in the Miracle Garden.
That was looking so cute.
Half land.
Okay, where do you want to stand?
Small flag.
तो आगे चलना और
She's really bothering me today.
Give me that. Sugar stone.
So cute. Looks like Sleeping Beauty, Disney. Like if I was in a palace, I would wake up to this, you know. Going into Butterfly Garden. Let's go. There are birds in the Butterfly Garden. I'm so confused. Tavanya, your hand is not that enticing for them. Oh my god, guys, that looks like Hello and Kitty. I used to have 2 birds like this. Not coming to you. So pretty.
I need that on my
You need it. Not a dog. Tara, don't make noise. Just be patient. Tavanya is on a mission to make the butterfly sit on her hand. And I really have no patience for her today. Out for like forever. Is that your POA? Yeah. So many.
So good. That's the color of the dress.
Basically, she's on her period. And she just wanted to eat. And she's been bothering me since the morning. We're at Chipotle.
We'll get some chili salt.
Girl, dad, Nadu. Guys, we're going in a roller coaster in a mall.
It's the world's fastest launch coaster.
I don't know where I was supposed to stand here.
Oh my god, will this launch?
Oh my god, she also does it. She also scratches her throat. Okay, how was it, guys? How did you like the roller
The
coaster?
launch was so good, and then everything from that.
Okay, Tavanya was blind the entire time because they didn't let her wear her specs. But oh my god, that roller coaster was very good for it being in the mall.
Yeah.
For it being in the mall, it was very good. I would give it like a solid. Huh? Oh yeah, in the beginning they took us in this like huge lift, and then they were like shaking and like they were like, oh, it's thunderstorm, you have to save it. It was like cool. It was like a cool build out, like a proper amusement park in the mall. So if you're really bored in Dubai Hills Mall, I would say 8 on 10. Recommend.
Wait.
Welcome to Dubai, Habibi. Hi guys. So it is our last day in Dubai. We are packing and we're leaving. And Rupali Chachi is packing Amira's bag. But yeah, it was a good trip. We spent 5-6 days here. But it's a nice city to be in. Yeah. I'm gonna miss the Burj Khalifa. Miss the clear skies. I'm sad. I have this thing every time I leave a trip or go back home. I feel sad. Like, of course I want to go home, but I still feel very upset to leave. I hate saying goodbye. I hate it. To a place, to a person, to anything. I hate saying goodbye. I hate it. This was the best part about the hotel breakfast. Oh. Much pretty. Yeah. This is 4 seasons in Dubai. The beach. Guys, we're going to this restaurant. Amira, how excited you feel to eat sushi for the 8th time in a row?
But this time it's Michelin.
Whoa.
Get one garlic broccoli side. Yes, sir.
Only if they had Food's blue rice.
Yeah.
Then it would be complete. Say bye, Dubai.
Bye, Dubai.
Tata.
We had fun here.
Oh, so cute. McDonald's in Dubai. What is your favorite here, Amira?
Beef.